Hello guys, outside kind of windy, so I don't know if you can hear me good. So today I'm installing the, what is it, like a door bumper, rubber bumpers, I don't know how it even calls. So on this side is there, this side is missing. So taking the 14mm impact, unscrew, installing new one. Yeah. Looks like I need to make some modifications because it's a little bit different one. It's not from a utility, so it's one of the universals. And over here is kind of a, there is a nut right here, bolt nut, and you can see there is a print. So I need to get a drill, kind of drill it out, kind of. And after that, it should actually work. Yeah, after that will actually work. Let's go ahead and make a bigger hole. Okay, so we continue working on a bumper stop, a rubber one. So it's a little bit longer, so I need to carve it just a little bit and also make a bigger hole, as I was telling you before. So about this much, carve it and make a bigger hole. This is what I got. Okay, I think it looks good. Let's go ahead and change to our impact. Okay, and let's impact it. It's even spinning by the hands. Okay, all set. It was really easy. So here we go, guys. Here we go. This is how easy was installed those bumper stops. Bumper stops, however you want to call it. Let's go ahead. Let's run it.